Hello, welcome to our session Oracle VBCS class. Today we are going to learn about Oracle Fusion extension via Visual Builder. Hide so components in Oracle Fusion. In Oracle Fusion application, the ability to hide or show components like field, section, button, etc. in is often necessary for creating a more dynamic and user friendly interface. You can achieve this by using customization topically involving personalization page composer on Oracle Visual Builder. If you are extending Fusion application using page composer, for example Fusion HCM, ERP, etc. Oracle Fusion providing page composer to allow end user or administrator to personalize page and hide or show components. Log in to Oracle Fusion and navigate to the page you want to personalize. Example, a work area, task or page. I would like to customization one page I call connection page. This is a Fusion instance. This highlighted box is a me. This is a connection tab. Using Oracle Visual Builder extension, if you are extending on Oracle Fusion application third Oracle Visual Builder, you can implement the hide of functionality thought Java except or condition logic. A step to hide show component in Visual Builder. This is a Fusion instance page. This is a menu tab. This is a highlighter box. This is a administrator. Edit page in Visual Builder Studio. Depl- Deploy and test. Deploy your changing and ensure that the hide and show behavior work and expect. This is a Visual Builder instance page. The arrow is a workspace fusion HCM module. This is a Visual Builder page is live mode, design mode. Today we will cover all topic step by step. Let's move to Oracle Fusion instance page. Let's go. This is a Oracle Fusion instance page. Then go to the me tab. This is a me tab, my team. This is a me tab. Hit on me tab. This is a connection page. Hit on connection tab. Open the connection tab. Page we will loading. This is a connection tab. Page which is called connection page. So how would you know which page customized? So you will find a redwood in the page URL, and if it contain redwood meaning this page is creating VBCS. If yes, then only you can extend this page. So to extend this page, what you have to do, you have simple go to this is a menu tab. Hit on menu tab. This is a administer edit page in Visual Builder Studio, and click on edit page in Visual Builder Studio, which will be actually open the VB Studio. If you have access to, in order to access this VB Studio, what you have to do, maybe your admin will have to give the application developers access that is required. So let's click on this edit page in Visual Builder Studio. Let's click. and open the VB Studio page. Select project name. For example, my project name is a Redwood demo. Hit on Redwood demo, cancel and click. The cancel, select the cancel and select icon. Hit on select icon. Our page is open. Can see there are two mode, express and advanced. This is a visual builder instance page. Arrow is a work page HCM. This is a instance name. This is a two mode, express and is advanced mode, live, design and code. By default the express mode will be open, which is actually a lightweight mode using which the functionally simply use this VBA Studio and then hide and show component. Go to property section. It will showing various component. This is a property section. This page is a property section. Components and constant. Hit on constant button. For example, this is a advanced search option. Go to constant tab, show advanced search. For example, hide. This is a show advanced search and hide. For example, hit on show advanced search and this is a property page is open. Show advanced search, for example, true. Then tap on true and false. For example, tap on false and then refresh. This advanced search tab in hide. This is a advanced tab in hide. For example, customize this page visual builder. So true pages. This tab is a showing. Go to live mode. This tab is a showing. For advanced mode, this is a express mode. Hide and show components. This is a advanced mode. Hit on advanced tab. This is a advanced tab. Let me go to the advanced mode and will show your couple of more things is how we'll do this. This is a advanced tab page. This show here the advanced mode in for the technical developer who would like to update or add some extra component on this page. Open the properties page. For example, this is a search component. Search is, for example, open the and will open the profile fragment. So here you will see this fragment. For example, this fragment is a curti the curtif curtifity human. Search the hit on curtifity profile. This is a open the profile layout. This is a profile is opening. For example, hide the components like profile name, organization. This is a profile name. This is a my instance is showing in VB Studio. organization. This is about me. I joined this company over 15 years again. This is about. This is a skill and development. This is a experience tab. This is a what others things. Various tab in this VB studio is opening. For example, this is a skill and development tab. For is a hide. I will go to the property tab and then hide a. For example, this is a development skill and development page. We will hide this page. Tap on property page, component and contents. Component and contents. So component and contents. For example, skill and development section hide. Simple go to the property section. You will find out the contents. This is a contents tab. Then scroll down. Then search is show skill card. Hit on show skill card true and false. For example, true and false. This page tab is a hidden. Go to search page. Then skill add and develop page is a hide. This is a hide. Go to true. This page is a showing. This page is a showing. Various component and various this is a component of various component in Oracle Visual Builder Cloud. This is a design page. Then friend, if you have any question or want to share your thought, just drop them in the comment below. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye.